Vivo unveiled the V23 smartphone with fair price in Pakistan. Vivo will debut a new phone this month, reports say. This newcomer will replace the Vivo V21 5G from this year. The next smartphone will be called Vivo V23. The forthcoming phone will use MediaTek Dimensity 920 Society. This processor handles high-end smartphone specs well. Vivo's V23 is powered by a 2.5 GHz octa-core processor. The GPU is Mali G68. The smartphone's AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display is brand exclusive. This phone is 6.44 inches. The Vivo V23 will have a 1080x2400 Full HD display. 12 GB of RAM is matched with the phone's Society. Vivo Sharp V23's chipset and RAM make its processing speed lightning fast. 256 GB of storage are available. This gives you adequate space to save a lot of info for the future. The V23 Vivo has Android 11 OS. The smartphone boasts a triple camera configuration on the back, with a 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and 2 megapixel main camera.